Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install MongoDB on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your browser, and on Google, just search for download MongoDB, and then just go to the first link. And from here, just scroll down a bit. Here, you'll see the download option. Just select the version which you want. Also, your platform, mine is Windows x64. And then the package, and click on download. Then just give it some time. The download will start. And there you go. And after the file has been downloaded, just click on open file. Then just wait for the installer to open. You can minimize your browser. Now you can click next from here. Click on I accept. Click on next. Now select complete from here, and you need to set up your account name and domain and everything and all the servers here. Also keep in mind that you need to set up the directory of the data and the logs later on, so remember this. And you can watch probably another YouTube video to set it up. I'm just going to show you how to install the software, so just click on next. Then if you want to install the MongoDB Compass, keep this tick. This is basically the graphical user interface. And if you don't want it, just keep it untick and click on next. And after that, just click on install. Then just give it some time. It will install the software for you. And that's basically it. Now you can just go to your search and type for CMD. Open up CMD. And in CMD, you can just type this. MongoD space -- version, and on your CMD just type this MongoD space -- version and hit enter. And after the installation has been done, you just need to set up the path directory to the MongoDB data folder, and after that your MongoDB will work properly. And after the installation has been done, just go to where you have installed MongoDB. I have installed it here, as you can see right here, MongoDB. So I'll go inside this, go inside server, then go inside the version, and then just go inside bin. Then I need to copy this URL or the file location and just close this. Then just go to search and search for environmental variables. And from the best matches, I need to open up edit the system environment variables. And from here, I just need to go inside environmental variables, and under system variables, I'll find path. Just double click on it. Then just click on new and just add this path to here. Then just click on OK, click on OK again, click on OK, and refresh. And then just go ahead and restart your system, and you have successfully installed MongoDB. And that is how to download and install MongoDB on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.